Liberal arts is the bedrock of higher education, and today's society requires educated citizens who can express themselves clearly, interpret data with sophistication, and analyze issues with great insight and cultural literacy. Located in Indianapolis, Marian University's College of Arts and Sciences is the heart of innovation and discovery, and home to degrees that do anything. Guided by Franciscan values, Marian is Indy's Catholic university, honoring the timeless traditions of liberal arts and blending classic liberal arts with today's science and technology. Students develop the skills they need to excel and graduate, ready to take on any career, anywhere.
I think a degree in the liberal arts and sciences is maybe more valuable and important now than it's ever been. If we think about what the classic values are behind a liberal arts education, the idea of being able to communicate effectively with other people, with other cultures, of understanding science and data and mathematics, and doing all of that here through the lens of our Catholic and Franciscan tradition with ethics as a grounding force. The mission of the Marian College of Arts and Sciences is to empower students to achieve their potential in whatever they want to do, but also the ability to grow into the future. The jobs that they will enter into won't exist in 5 or 10 more years in the same way that they have in the past. And so the ability to adapt and continue to grow and learn is one of the hallmarks of our education.
With a strong emphasis on ethics, critical thinking, communication, and information literacy, Marian Arts and Sciences programs prepare graduates to lead, innovate, and make a difference wherever they are called.
The College of Arts and Sciences really focuses on educating whole people. Yes, we want to educate students to go into whatever their career path is, but we really want to do it in a way that we're valuing them as humans. In my biology classroom, I really want them to learn biology, but I also want them to recognize that there are other aspects that are really important. And you can really do that in a College of Arts and Science when you get all of these different fields working together. Because of our small student to faculty ratio, we can design really unique and authentic experiences. At Marian, we strive to, in our classrooms, not just teach students the content, but also teach them how that content applies outside the classroom. We integrate big current world problems and teach students how does what we are learning right now apply once you leave. So we really are intentional in actually addressing a lot of the things that need to be addressed once they leave our doors and not shying away from them, because that's really what the value of an education brings, is what do you do once you leave our doors.
When I was wrapping up and looking and applying to colleges my senior year, I was looking for a university that was small and staff that could support me. So when I went to Marian and did the tour, I got a lot of staff that gave me good advice, and they helped me get on the right path for me wanting to pursue my future. I like the community that the College Arts and Science brings to me, and with me picking biology and that being a harder major, I got to have the support that I've needed, get good grades, and also get to learn all the important things I need for my future. What I like most about being a Marianite is having the sense of community between my fellow classmates and my professors, and never feeling like I'm so alone. I always have someone to talk to.
This is more than just a place to earn a degree. It's a place that will change your life and your world.
The level of education and preparedness I received here at Marian University was top class. I feel like the faculty and staff truly care about you as a student. There's also smaller student to faculty ratios, which allows you to get more one-on-one time. I graduated from Marian University in 2017. I was a psychology major. Now I work at Quest Safety Products. We're a manufacturer and distributor of personal protective equipment, where I serve as the Director of Customer Experience and Digital Strategy. I feel like the curriculum and the experiential learning opportunities at Marian were really great for me, because although I was a psych major, I actually had an internship in a business setting, and the business is actually the current business I work for now. So it's pretty amazing to see how an internship, the summer of going into my senior year, turned into what is now my career. I would definitely recommend Marian University's College of Arts and Science to other prospective students. One, because I feel like the curriculum is built out for the student to succeed. The staff really care about the success of each individual student, and they're willing to go to the extra mile to do what it takes to help you succeed.
So one of the big plans moving forward is continuing to grow the interdisciplinary nature of a College of Arts and Sciences degree. All of our students are going to graduate with a degree that specifically talks about a major body of knowledge, but what we really want is for that to also integrate into the liberal arts tradition and also into our professional spaces. I really want our students to have experience in business settings, to have experience in education settings, to have experience in healthcare settings, so that they learn that their Marian University College of Arts and Sciences degree does anything that they want it to do. I think if I could say one thing about a College of Arts and Sciences degree from Marian University, it's that it's a degree that will do anything. It doesn't matter whether what you want to do is to be a CEO or a community organizer, whether you want a great 9-to-5 job and a chance to raise your family, or really want to make a difference and change the world. Our degrees are the starting point.
The right liberal arts education can be foundational and transformative. This is where your journey of personal and intellectual growth begins. Learn more today about the Marian University College of Arts and Sciences, degrees that do anything. For course information or to schedule a visit, go to marian.edu or call 317-955-6000.